A soldier lost his leg in war. People said his life was over, but he came back stronger, helping other veterans. True heroes never quit. The sky above the battlefield was thick with smoke. Explosions boomed in the distance like thunder ripping through the heavens. Through the chaos, a young soldier named Adam Carter pushed forward with quiet determination. He had left everything behind: his family, his home, his dreams to protect something bigger than himself. Adam wasn't the strongest in the platoon. He wasn't the loudest or the most decorated. But what set him apart was something no one could see: a heart full of courage. Then came the day that would change everything. His unit was on a dangerous mission when their convoy was ambushed. A sudden explosion tore through the ground. The blast threw it into the air. For a moment, everything went silent, just a ringing in his ears, smoke in the air, and a searing pain in his leg. When Adam opened his eyes, his world shattered. His right leg was gone. Blood soaked his uniform. Fear should have broken him right there. But instead, he clenched his fists, looked at the chaos around him, and whispered to himself, "Not here. Not now." With every ounce of strength he had left, Adam crawled to cover. He didn't just save himself, he dragged 2 injured soldiers with him. Even as pain ripped through his body, he refused to let go. When the rescue team finally reached him, Adam had passed out, but his will to live was still burning. Weeks later, Adam opened his eyes in a hospital bed. The world felt colder, quieter. His leg was gone. The doctors told him he might never walk the same way again. Some whispered that his career was over. Friends visited. Some didn't know what to say. Others just stared, their faces filled with pity. But the real battle wasn't the one on the battlefield. It was the one inside his head. Every night, he lay awake, staring at his medals on the table, symbols of a life he thought he'd lost forever. He felt useless, broken, forgotten. But then something shifted. One morning, a nurse wheeled him down to the rehabilitation center. That room changed everything. He saw other veterans, men and women who had lost limbs, who carried scars on their faces, and even deeper scars in their hearts. But what struck him most, they were smiling. A soldier with 2 prosthetic legs was running on a treadmill. Another was learning to play guitar with one arm. A woman, blinded by an explosion, laughed as her service dog nudged her playfully. And at that moment, Adam realized something powerful. Maybe life isn't over. Maybe it's just beginning in a different way. Rehab was brutal. His body ached. His mind screamed. Every time he fell, it felt like reliving the blast. But Adam didn't quit. He learned how to walk again on a prosthetic leg. He fell 100 times, but he stood up 101. Day by day, pain turned into progress. Sweat and silent tears slowly became strength. The man who once needed help was becoming someone who could give it. Months later, Adam took his first steps without assistance. Not fast, not perfect, but they were his steps. His victory, his pride, and that feeling was priceless. But Adam's story didn't end with him walking again. He remembered the feeling of lying in that hospital bed, thinking his life was over. He knew there were others out there just like him, fighting their own invisible battles. So, instead of hiding, Adam decided to show up. He started visiting rehab centers, sitting beside wounded soldiers, sharing his story. He didn't use big speeches. He spoke with honesty, with heart. It began with one hospital, then another, and another. Word spread. Veterans who felt hopeless began to rise again because Adam showed them it was possible. Soon, he founded a support organization, a place where injured soldiers could rebuild not just their bodies, but their lives. They called it Stronger Together. There were fitness programs, mental health support, skill training, and most importantly, hope. The man who once thought he'd lost everything had become the reason so many others found their strength. Years later, Adam stood on a stage at a veterans event. The hall was full of faces he'd touched with his journey. He glanced at his prosthetic leg, then at the crowd. With a steady, proud voice, he said, "They told me my life was over. But my story didn't end on that battlefield. It began there. Losing my leg didn't make me less of a soldier. It made me stronger. To every veteran out there, you are not broken. You are unshakable." The crowd rose to their feet. Applause filled the room. Tears rolled down faces, soldiers, families, strangers. And in that moment, Adam smiled. For the first time in a long time, he didn't feel broken. He felt whole. Moral of the story: true heroes aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who rise and help others rise with them. Life may change. Dreams may take a different shape, but their value never disappears. No matter how dark the night gets, there's always a dawn waiting. If this story touched your heart, hit that subscribe button and join us for more powerful real-life stories that remind us strength isn't about what we lose. It's about what we build after.